In this video, we're going to be learning how we can use Pythagoras' theorem to calculate the length of a longer side or shorter side in a right-angled triangle. Pythagoras' theorem states a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A, b, and c are the lengths of the different sides of the right-angled triangle. C is always the one that is the longest side, and we can see that this is opposite to the right angle. C is otherwise known as the hypotenuse. A and B are the two shorter sides, and it doesn't matter which order they go in, so I will call the top one A and the side one B. Now that I can see that I've labelled them all, I can substitute in the information that I've been given. The A is 10, so 10 squared, plus B, which is 12, so 12 squared, is equal to y squared. Evaluating what I can, 10 squared is 100, plus 12 squared, which is 144, gives me y squared. So that means that y squared is the sum of 100 and 144, so 244. I needed to calculate the length of y though, and I've got that y squared is equal to 244. So taking the square root gives me the square root of 244, which to one decimal place is 15.6 centimeters. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So writing down Pythagoras' theorem, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, it's important that we label off our diagram to identify what the values of a, b and c are. C is the longest side, opposite to the right angle. A and b can be either value, either 7 or y. I'm going to label the top one a and the side one b. Substituting in the information I know, 7 squared plus y squared is equal to 10 squared. 7 squared is 49, plus y squared is equal to 100. This question is slightly different to the previous one, whereby I've got an equation that I need to rearrange to find out what y squared is. 49 plus y squared is equal to 100, so that means that y squared will equal 100 minus 49. So y squared is 51. Taking the square root of 51 gives me y, and to one decimal place is 7.1 centimeters.